Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your language and region settings on MacBook. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So if you want to change your language or region, then you can do that if you go to the system preferences, which is at the bottom of the screen, and then click on the language and region. So language and region preferences control the language you see in menus and dialogues and the formats of dates, times and currencies. So here you can see my preferred languages, but you can add and you can delete with these two icons with the plus and minus. And after that you can see the region. Here you can select your region, the calendar, the time format, the temperature and live text. And you can see the translation languages. Here you can select or download languages. Here you can see which are available. So always translate offline using downloaded languages. Offline translation may not be as accurate as online translation. Siri and Safari will always process translation online. Alright, and after that the keyboard preferences. Here you can add languages. You can select the show input menu in menu bar, or automatically switch to documents input sources, or you can set up Bluetooth keyboard and so on. And then here is the advanced setting. So number separators, the currency, the measurement unit, first day of week, list sort, order, the dates and times. So here you can select whichever setting you would like and you prefer. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.